guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. and Mrs. Olowo. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make this omelette that a British friend of mine taught me. So the basic ingredients you need is mushroom, you need ham, you need vegetable oil, sunflower oil or butter, you need eggs, of course, there's no omelette without eggs, and any seasoning of your choice. I also use parsley in making this omelette, but it's optional. So yeah, any seasoning of your choice. So basically you dice the mushroom. That's what I'm doing here. I'm dicing the mushroom. So the next thing you do is to get your ham. I bought this ham from Tesco. I actually bought all the ingredients from Tesco. So I'm going to dice the ham. And then you heat your pan. And then you pour in your oil or butter if you prefer butter. And then you go ahead to whisk your egg. For this particular portion, I used 4 eggs. So 4 eggs is like basically enough, but depending on the size of your family. At this point, I was just adding the seasoning of my choice. When my British friend taught me, she did not add any seasoning to it. She made it plain, but I'm just putting my own signature in it. So I added salt, I added some powdered ginger, I'm adding no cubes, just very little. Even the salt is very little. Then I whisk my egg. I'm getting ready to start making it. So you pour your egg into your already heated oil. I think the oil I used was too much because I had to drain a little of the oil out. So when you're doing this, make the oil as little as possible. Preferably you can use butter. Now I'm going in with the ham. Spread the ham around the egg. Spread it. You can use as many as you like. But yeah, as many as you want. So now you go in with your mushroom, you spread it all around the pan, spread it across, pour it in as much as you like. The other ingredient I added is parsley. So I went in with my parsley, spreading it across. At this point, you can get your oven ready. I already put on my oven and I put it on low heat. You can place it on top, you can place it below, depending. But I didn't close the door of the oven, I left it open. And yeah, 10 to 20 minutes after, this is what it looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful. It looks absolutely delicious. And trust me guys, it is actually delicious. The good thing about this is that you can eat it with a bread. We ate this with a buttered bread that I bought from Tesco, and it is so delicious. So guys, you can cut it into 4 just like you cut a pizza and serve your family, serve your husband, your son, your daughter, your sister, even your enemies. And And there you have it, guys, a beautifully baked omelette. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more juicy tips. Please remember to like as well and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next vlog. Bye.